In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Atlassian Intelligence for your Trello workspace. If you're looking to boost your productivity and enhance your collaborative experience on Trello, enabling Atlassian Intelligence is a great way to start. Firstly, let's get started by navigating to the top right corner of your Trello interface, where you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on this icon. It's your gateway to customizing your Trello experience. Once you've clicked on your profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From here, you'll want to click on Settings. This will take you into an area where you can manage various aspects of your Trello account, ensuring it suits your workflow preferences. Now, within your Settings page, take a look at the left-hand panel. You're going to find an option labeled Settings specifically for your workspace. This is key because the changes we are about to make will directly affect your current Trello workspace, allowing you to harness the power of Atlassian Intelligence. Within these workspace settings, you have the option to enable or disable Atlassian Intelligence. This tool is like having an extra pair of hands, helping you manage tasks with enhanced insights and smarter suggestions, leading to a more streamlined and effective team collaboration. Just a reminder as you consider enabling this feature, it's available for users on a premium plan. So, if you're still on the free plan, this is a great time to evaluate whether upgrading your Trello account could benefit your team. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can enable Atlassian Intelligence in your Trello workspace and take full advantage of its capabilities. Remember, Trello is all about making task management easier and more intuitive, and with Atlassian Intelligence, you're augmenting your ability to achieve just that. As always, if you have any questions or run into any hiccups, don't hesitate to reach out to Trello support or consult their detailed help resources. So, go ahead and explore what Atlassian Intelligence can do for your Trello projects. You might just find that it transforms the way you manage your workflow, making it more efficient and productive. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Until next time, happy task managing.